This is what I found when I was walking around. Took my daughter back. I went back because I went to go get a bag for my mom. And then I was walking around. She was walking around. She was getting a few things. And I saw this.
If you ever feel alone, cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone in a sec.
Hey family, hey, what's going on? Yancy here, you guys. Welcome if you're new. Welcome back if you've been. All right. So once again, I am coming to you with one of my Nordstrom Anniversary finds. All right. You guys, like I said before, would have seen this particular bag when I did my Nordstrom Anniversary Sale haul. Just kind of showed you guys a few things that I purchased during that time. This bag, along with the Longchamp bag, which you should have seen. If you haven't, I will put up a card so you can go ahead and take a look at that. All right. This bag was definitely a good find. It was a good sale. I couldn't pass it up, and I'm glad I got it. All right. So without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and get into this bag because it is actually my very first bag from this particular designer. All right. And I'm actually excited because I've been looking at a lot of bags from this brand, but I don't know. I was just waiting for something to kind of just like catch my eye. And I like colors. I like pops of colors. I like different designs, but I just wasn't sure what I wanted to get. So I saw this. I liked it. It was on sale. I grabbed it. All right. All right. But before we go ahead and get into that, you guys, if you're new here, my name is Yancy. My channel is all about luxury, lifestyle, and travel. And we're going to be doing a lot more traveling this year, probably closer to the end of the year. And then well into next year, we're going to be doing a lot more traveling. I want to try to get the family out. I want us to bond, have a good time, and just kind of see the world. So if you like that, which I really hope you do, and you're here for that, go ahead and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. All right. Make sure you also hit that bell, click all, that way you don't miss any videos once I upload, all right? So that way I don't miss you, you don't miss me, and we're here. Because once again, we are trying to be here in this space with me, with Yancy, all right? Be part of the will, okay? All right. So either which way, you guys, now that we have gotten that out of the way, let's go ahead and just jump into the bag. All right, you guys, so as you can see by the bag itself, this is what I found when I was walking around. Took my daughter back. I went back because I went to go get a bag for my mom. And then I was walking around. She was walking around. She was getting a few things. And I saw this. And I literally just kept it in my hand. There was only like 3 of these on the top shelf. I kept it in my hand. I was walking around with it. I was trying to see how I liked it. And I liked it. I really did. So I could not put it down. All right. But either which way, let's get into it. So the bag in question is... All right, so this is the Kurt Geiger London drawstring bag. So this is my first ever Kurt Geiger. There are so many people that are familiar with Kurt Geiger. Like, I watch Officially Coco. I will leave her handle down below. I started watching her and I started seeing her with a lot of Kurt Geiger bags. So I'm familiar with it in that sense, but I've never actually purchased a Kurt Geiger bag. So again, when I saw this just sitting there, I literally was in love and I couldn't put her down. So she came home with me. So either which way, you guys, this is the cutest little drawstring bag. I am going to once again run down the dimensions for you, the materials, so on and so forth, and we can just get into this bag. All right. One thing I do want to note that I want to just say off the top: this bag is very hard to get into. All right. When I review it, when I tell you about it, I'm going to bring you the truth. I'm going to tell you what it is and what it's not. And you can decide if you want to get it. But it is cute and it is adorable. So, you know, again, being hard to get into is like a pro and a con all at the same time. You know, no one's getting into the bag. All right. But at the same time, it is a really cute, adorable bag. So either which way, you guys, once again, this is the Kurt Geiger London drawstring bag. I purchased this during the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. Regularly, I try to find it on the Kurt Geiger website. So I'm going to just assume that it is probably, I don't know if it's out yet or if it's maybe last season. I have no idea, but it's cute and I like it. So either which way, the Nordstrom price at the time was actually $155 for this particular bag. So the anniversary sale was $99. So I think that's a really cute find. It is a London brand. It was established in 1963, so they've been around for a good bit. Okay. But again, I love the bag and I love the way it looks. The material looks like it will hold up. So I do like that. No feet at the bottom. So I would definitely be careful where you keep her, where you store her, where you place her when you're out and about. But you have this cute little top handle. You can easily hold her quick in your arm, in your hand, or she comes with a drawstring, so she could definitely be worn as a crossbody bag. All right, so let's go ahead and get into everything about this bag, you guys. Okay, so I kind of ran down the price for you guys so that way you're familiar. So this material is actually Reprieve recycled polyester, and it is in this quilted design with this quilted pattern, and I like the way it looks. You do have this signature Avion hardware, so you definitely will always see this hardware on all of the Kurt Geiger bags. That is how you know it is a Kurt Geiger bag. So it is extremely cute. I love the way it looks. So incredibly stunning and pretty, and I actually liked the black in this. But yeah, so I think when you first get this bag, you have to literally just kind of like play around with it a little bit and stretch it out, because it is going to be very hard when you first open it, because it is so brand new. So yes, it can be very difficult to get in, but stretch it out a little bit and you'll be good to go. With that being said, it is a drawstring opening. As you can see, you do have it to where it has a removable strap, which I think is incredibly cute. I haven't detached it just yet, so that's why you have it attached there. But with the drawstring, it's detachable and it's adjustable. The thing that I like the most about it is that it comes with, and I'm going to put this around me as if I have it on me, so that way it's cute and you can kind of see it. So you can actually see that it has a removable zip pouch. So it's kind of like resembling, you know, what everybody was doing with the multi-pochette, and then adding, I think Prada did it as well, and then adding like a little cute zip pocket to the strap. So that way you have even more storage. All right. So yeah, it is a zip pouch. You can easily put your coins. You can actually, to make it easier, put like your cash, if you kind of still walk around with cash, in here, and it'll be good to go. And again, it literally just kind of like hangs just like that, and then it can come off because it is detachable. With this adjustable strap, the drop is 21 inches. So you do get a nice drop with this particular bag, depending on how far you like it. I like mine to be a little bit further down, kind of sitting on my hips, so that way I can easily just reach to it if I need to. It does come with a dust bag, which I think is incredibly helpful, so that way you can store it and take the paper out. All right, so I think the bag is pretty spacious. I know there were a lot of people online that I saw that they felt that it wasn't as big, but I mean, again, it's a smaller bag. It is not a huge bag, so it's not going to give you what you need or whatever you need to carry. For that, carry a huge tote and you'll be good to go. So if smaller bags are not your thing, that's okay. Okay. It's just that this bag is just not for you. And that's fine. I do have a lot more medium sized bags, larger bags that we can definitely discuss and get into later on. So, either which way, you do have one large compartment in this particular bag. You also have a slip pocket. If you can see, it's right here. There's a slip pocket right here, as well as a card slot right here. I know it's hard to see, but what I'll do is I'll give you definitely a different angle so that way you can see it. But you do have a lot of space in here. And then you also have a zipper compartment as well. So you have a good amount of space. So if you can see that, hopefully you can, you have a zipper compartment right there. So yeah, I think you definitely have enough room to kind of do whatever it is that you need to do with this bag. Because me personally, I think this bag literally is, once again, a running errands bag. So you can easily just take it with you wherever you need to go. Like I said, you can make it a shoulder bag because of the strap. You can make it a crossbody bag, or you can just make it a top handle bag. and I think it's cute. I love the design. I love how simplistic it is. It's just regular black color. You have your signature hardware right there, and you also have this Kurt Geiger stamp of approval, if you will, right on the back as well. So I think it's really cute. I love the way it looks. It's a really cute, simple bucket bag. And I think really for fall is when I probably might start to wear her, but you might see her probably on me a little bit more. Just go ahead and follow me on Instagram. You'll see a lot more pictures over there. You'll see how I style her, so on and so forth. All right. So go ahead and follow me because that's where all the action is. Okay. All right. So now let's go ahead and discuss the dimensions. This particular bag, you have her sitting at 7 inches in length, 8.5 inches in height. So that's actually really good because you can actually stuff a lot more things in this particular bag because of the height of this particular bag. And then in depth, you have 4.5 inches in depth. So I think she's a good size. I think she's a good size for what you need her for. And like I said, if you're running errands, a lot of times you're taking a really quick, small to maybe even medium bag, putting your absolute essentials in there, and you're good to go. A bag like this, your keys, your card holder, maybe some cash, maybe a snack, some lotion, some hand sanitizer, and you're good to go. All right. But I am definitely going to show you exactly what fits in here. So yeah, so let's go ahead and see what fits. That way you have an idea and you won't question her. All right. All right.
If you ever feel alone, cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. I'm not leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be alright. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend, I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end.
All right, you guys. So that is it. That is my brand new, very first Kurt Geiger London drawstring bag. All right. So that's also what fits in her. And I think she is fabulous. I think she holds enough for what I need her for. So if you agree, let me know. Leave a comment below. All right. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not already. I would greatly appreciate it. Like, comment, and share, you guys. I would appreciate that even more as well. That way you can tell your family, friends, and everyone else in between about me. All right. But if you have this bag, if you have something similar to this bag, you guys, if you have never heard of Kurt Geiger, let me know. Let's talk about it. Let's discuss it. What was your first Kurt Geiger bag? I really want to know. All right. So go ahead and leave that comment below. I would greatly appreciate it. But that is it. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.